One thing that I've been studying this week has been the lowest degree polynomial. And this is an example of a question from that section. So the first thing you want to do here, if you have a fraction like this, one way to rewrite a fraction is to take the denominator and you move it to the left. So I'll give an example that's separate from it. So if we have 3, well, let's do something else. We have 5 over 9. We want to rewrite this into out of the fraction for the inequality. We would write it like this: 9x minus 5. Okay. So for this one, we're going to start out by writing 3x plus 4. So essentially, the denominator gets moved to the left, and if it's a negative, it becomes positive. Okay, now we'll just move on to the next section, which is going to be 2x plus 3. And then for this one, it's a little different. So instead, we don't have a denominator. Well, we do. The denominator is always 1 if it's under a number like this. So this is how we're going to do it. X plus 3. Okay. Now, we distribute like so. 6x squared plus 9x plus 8x plus 12. We put this in parentheses. We want to keep everything separated so we don't get confused. Put our x plus 3, we bring it down. Then we're going to do the same thing here. So 6x squared times x. 6x cubed. Okay, 9x times x plus 9x squared. 8x plus x plus 8x squared plus 12x. Then we do the same thing with the 3 that's on the end. So 6x squared plus 3, 6x squared times positive 3. So that'd be plus 18x squared. 9 times 3, that'd be 27x plus 27x. 8 times 3, that'd be 24x. And then the last one is 12 times 3. I'll pull out my calculator. Which is going to be 36. Uh-oh. Then, all we have to do is combine the like terms of this. What I mean by like terms, so we're going to take all the x squares. So 9, 8, and 18. And because they're all positive, we'll add them all together. 9 plus 8 plus 18 is going to equal 35. This is the only cubed, so we can automatically just bring this one down. So 9 plus 8 plus 18 equals 35, so that's going to be plus 35x squared. Now we can move on to all of the x's. Okay, sorry about that. Now we can move on to all of the x's. So we got 12x, 27x, and 24x. They're all positive, so we're gonna add them all together on this one. So 12 plus 27 plus 24 is going to be equal to 63. So we'll do plus 63x. The only thing we have left is the 36. So since it doesn't have any partner that's similar to it, we'll just bring it straight down. And this is going to be the final answer for this problem. The important takeaway for this is that if you see a fraction like this, the denominator is going to go to the left, inside the parentheses, and it will have an x beside it. And then if it's negative, it's going to become positive. So if this would have been 4 over 3, then it would have been 3x minus 4. It would have looked just like this. If this would have been positive 3 over 2, then it would have been 2x minus 3. Okay? I hope I was able to help you guys better understand how to do these problems.